Today we're here in Sulphur, Oklahoma at the Chickasaw Cultural Center, and joining me is Jennifer Bryant, who is the Director of Horticulture. Jennifer, thank you so much for having us down here today.
Yeah, well, Chukma, and welcome to the Chickasaw Cultural Center. Today we're in our spiral gardens here. It's one of our mini gardens throughout campus. The spiral garden is designed with 3 spirals, and these spirals represent the wind and the Chickasaw's journey through life. And so we have our traditional 3 sisters plantings on the outside of the spirals, and then we do a variety of different plantings within the spiral.
So you mentioned the 3 sisters. Let's talk about that. I know it's culturally significant. Kind of explain what the 3 sisters is all about.
Yeah, so the 3 sisters are corn, beans, and squash, and it's a companion planting method that we would have traditionally used and we still use today. So when the oak leaves get the size of a squirrel's ear, we know it's time to plant the corn. And we'll plant the corn in the north, east, south, and west directions, and then let it grow up a few inches tall before we go back and plant the beans. And the corn plant, that sister acts as a stalk for those beans. Okay. So she's providing stability for the beans to grow up. And the beans, they release nitrogen into the soil, so they're helping fertilize the other plants in the mound. And then our 3rd sister, squash, we plant her last on the outside. And you know how big squash leaves can get. Yeah. They provide, really good, they act like mulch, they hold in our moisture and they keep out the weeds for our system.
So the beans growing up the stalk at this point, and then the other kind of covers the ground a little bit. Yeah. Fantastic. So again, we're here in the spiral garden. So let's talk a little bit about the plants and the harvest that you get off of this each week.
Yeah, so we grow a variety of vegetables and herbs from all over, and we showcase that you can grow a lot in a little area. And any patron can come and harvest from our gardens. We host a free farmers market on Wednesdays, where we'll harvest and give out free produce in the theater lobby each week. And so we really want this to be a community space.
Well, it's a beautiful space. And you talked about, do you rotate some of these crops, or are they pretty much the way they are every year? Can you talk about that?
Yeah, so we definitely rotate out our vegetable crops, but we also have a lot of perennials in this garden. A lot of our pollinator plants are perennials, but yeah, we definitely rotate out through each space. And then we utilize it too, like when we have groups come in or we have events, we have planting activities so we can help people, get their hands in the dirt and learn how to grow things.
That's important.
Hands-on.
Yeah. And I know you guys have a lot of events happening throughout the year, but especially during the summertime. You want to share with us where, our viewers can find some more information about that?
Yeah, you can go to our website and also our social media accounts.
Okay, all right. And this spiral garden is on the backside of the Palisade, kind of. I mean, there's so much to see here, right? Do you want to share a little bit about?
Yeah, so we are on the far east part of our campus, just on the east side of our village. We have a 1700s traditional village, and we also have the Anoli Theater. It's a 4-story theater, our exhibit hall, and our welcome center. We also have our honor garden, which is an area in which we honor those who have been inducted to our Chickasaw Hall of Fame.
Which is also a beautiful garden on its own, too. So
Yes. We're definitely very blessed to have this campus to share our culture and to help people connect to their culture as well.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for having us here, and just a beautiful campus and great information to share with all of us. Thank you.
Yeah, Yakoke, and thank you for coming.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.